Students, so as I told you in my previous video that I will give you some hint to solve the exercise 2a of chapter 2. So here comes the exercise 2a. So the first question of this exercise is about what is a chemical reaction. Very easy answer, and you can get the answer here in the second paragraph also. Chemical reaction, the process of breaking of chemical bonds of reacting substance and making new bonds. Okay, so you can write this answer. Next question, state the condition necessary for a chemical change or reaction. That also I explained in my video. Here are the conditions necessary for chemical change is given. So all the conditions: mixing, solution, heat, presence of light, presence of electricity, then pressure and catalyst. All these conditions you have to write in your answer with one example each. Okay. Now coming to next question number 2, define the following terms. Chemical change. Chemical change, again you will get the answer from the first paragraph. Then chemical bond. Chemical bond is a force that holds the atoms of a molecule together. Then effervescence. Effervescence you can get in this page, inside this box. Then precipitate. I told you precipitate is formation of insoluble substance when soluble substances are mixed together. So precipitate is formation of something insoluble when two soluble substances are mixed. Next, question number 3, give an example of a reaction where following are involved. So all these are the conditions for the chemical reaction to take place. Already we have done. So one example which involved heat, that will be from this section, heat. So you can write any one example: decomposition of copper carbonate or decomposition of calcium carbonate. Then which requires presence of light. For presence of light you can write any one example. There are 4 examples are given. Any one you can write which is easy for you. Then presence of electricity. For this one you can write any one example here, either decomposition of water or decomposition of sodium chloride. Then close contact. Close contact you can write any one example from. And for close contact is a condition which is important for every type of chemical reaction. So any equation will favor the example of close contact, because without mixing the reactants the reaction will not start. Then solution. For solution you can write this here solution, any one example. That example of silver nitrate and sodium chloride, any one you can write. Then next, presence of pressure. So Haber's process you can write as the example, or the example which is given here, mercury chloride and potassium iodide and the Haber's process, any one you can write. Then presence of catalyst. For catalyst also you can write any example, any one example, either decomposition of potassium chlorate, or you can show the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. So here we finished 3 questions. Then define photochemical reaction. You know photochemical reactions are the reactions which takes place in presence of light. And you can give one example, we have already done, formation of HCl. Then electrochemical reaction are the reaction which takes place in presence of electricity. Already we have done one example, decomposition of water in presence of electricity. Then give one example of each of the following chemical changes. A photochemical reaction involving silver salt. So here you can write the decomposition of silver nitrate, because you have to use silver salt here. So decomposition of silver nitrate, this equation will be the answer for this question. And then photochemical reaction involving water. For this question you can write this equation where decomposition of hydrogen peroxide takes place in presence of light, which gives you water and oxygen. So water is involved here, so this will be the answer for second part. Then B, a reaction involving blue solution. For blue solution you can write any of these 2 examples, either change of blue copper sulfate to green ferrous sulfate, or you can also write this one where when copper is added to concentrated sulfuric acid, blue copper sulfate is formed. Then reaction involving formation of dirty green precipitate. For this you can write this precipitation reaction where dirty green precipitate of ferrous hydroxide is formed. Then two gases combine to form white solid, we have already done. Ammonia and HCl, these are the gases combined to form ammonium chloride, which is solid. Then two solid combine to form liquid, again carbon and sulfur. These are two solids which combine to form carbon disulfide liquid. A reaction where change of color is noticed. So any of the example you can write for change of color, either this first example or the second example. Then coming to question number 6. Write chemical reaction where the following changes are observed. Gas is evolved. So you can write the equation which I told you, formation of hydrogen when granulated zinc is added to dilute sulfuric acid. You can write that equation. For second, color change, again the same reactions in which the blue copper sulfate changes to green or the brown copper forms blue copper sulfate on adding sulfuric acid. Any one equation you can write. Precipitate is formed. For that also you can write the example of silver nitrate and sodium chloride, which will give you the white precipitate of silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Then physical state is changed. For that any one example you can write, like when ammonia and HCl gases combine, they form solid ammonium chloride. Now the most important is question number 7. Give reason for the following. So I am dictating you the answer. Please try to write directly in your copy. For question number 1, silver nitrate solution is kept in colored bottles. So as I told you that sodium metal is stable, but it becomes unstable in its combined state. So whenever silver compounds are formed, they are unstable, so they can readily decompose in presence of light. So answer for this question will be silver nitrate solution is kept in colored bottles because it may get decomposed in presence of light. So to avoid its contact with light, silver nitrate solution is kept in colored bottle, otherwise it will get decomposed. Second, molybdenum is used in manufacture of ammonia. Molybdenum is acting as a promoter which enhance or maintain the efficiency of the catalyst iron, which is used in Haber's process. Okay, so formation of ammonia is done by Haber's process, and molybdenum is used as a promoter to enhance or increase the efficiency of catalyst iron. Second, blue solution of copper sulfate changes to green when piece of iron is added to this solution. Answer will be because of displacement. As iron is more reactive than copper, so it will displace copper from copper sulfate and form ferrous sulfate, which is green in color. Then last question, colorless concentrated sulfuric acid in a test tube changes to blue on adding small piece of copper to it. When copper, which is brown in color, is added to concentrated sulfuric acid, reaction takes place with the formation of copper sulfate, water and sulfur dioxide. So copper sulfate solution which is formed is blue in color. That's why the color changes from colorless sulfuric acid changes from colorless to blue.